friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make Maharashtra's famous street food misal pav. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 100 grams of sprouted and boiled green gram, 100 grams of sprouted and boiled moth beans, 1 bowl of grated dry coconut, 2 onions chopped in length, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 8 to 10 garlic buds, 1 inch ginger roughly chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of oil, water, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 bowl of ready-made sev gathia papdi, 1 bowl of finely chopped coriander leaves and 2 breads. First put coconut in pan and dry roast it until it's brown. In the same pan put 2 spoons of oil. Now put onion, ginger, garlic and saute for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now put off the flame and keep the mixture to cool down. Now in a mixer put roasted coconut, prepared mixture and make a smooth paste. Next in pan put half bowl of oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, green chilies, curry leaves, tomatoes and cook until tomatoes are soft. Now add prepared paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add red chili powder, coriander cumin seeds powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt and mix well. Now add water and cook until it boils well. Now add green grams, moth beans and mix it and cook it for another 5 minutes. This misal is ready. Now put misal in a bowl. On this put mixed farsan, onion and coriander. Hot and spicy misal is ready to serve with breads. If you have liked my this recipe, then don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.